Auto-type text color effects with sound, Python program example. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Please note, after you save your file, you must double-click this file to view its cool colored text effects and layout. Next, create a folder for your typing sound effect WAV file and your Python file so they can execute run together. Note, all sound files must be WAV format. Python will not execute run sound files in MP3 format without importing a Python module for that, which I do not have at this moment. Import these 3 Python modules below. Create a tuple variable for all 7 color values, starting at index 0 through index 6. Note, index numbers always start at 0, not 1. Be careful of how you count how many values you have within tuples and lists alike. Create some more variables to make programming less bulky and less code redundant on the programming part. Create another tuple variable for a print function text string value and a clear screen variable that contains the OS value, CLS, to clear the screen output while running the Python program. Place an input function so you can press the enter key to close the Python program when you want to, without it closing right away after it's executed. This is my desktop screen, and where I stored my newly created folder for both the Python file and the WAV sound file. Let's open the folder we created for our Python program example and our WAV sound effects file. Double-click the Python file to execute run our auto-type text color effects Python program example. You can press Ctrl+ and Ctrl- to make the text larger or smaller. You can use this Python program example in your videos to create auto-typing special effects, as shown in this video. Please subscribe if you like this video, and my channel content about Python programming in general. And I thank all my subscribers for helping my YouTube channel grow. That gives me much inspiration to keep teaching Python. Because the more I can learn Python programming, the more I can teach Python programming onto others around. And once again, I thank you all so very much for all your support. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.